While I was doing the research for the Wow Seti signal, and one of the keywords that came up, of course, was the hieroglyphs. And I looked up the hieroglyphs from the UFO there was a UFO crash in Roswell, Mexico, which you are probably all very much aware of, in 1947 in the USA. And there's been different theories printed about these symbols that you see before you. Well, my theory is completely different than everybody else's. And it's something that I figured out while I was working on this, so I made a video about it. And I'm just going to interrupt the Seti stuff and do this video just to show you what I think it means. So this is line 22, 7b97z53, UFO Roswell, 1947, I-beam hieroglyphs, Jesse A. Marcel Deciphering the Math, 5G Wow Seti. Okay? So these are the symbols here. You've got 10 altogether. And these are numbers. This is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10 in their language. And it says Jesse A. Marcel, MD, PC, 900 North Montana Avenue, Helena, Montana, 59601, telephone 405-442-2410. The following is a hand-drawn picture of what the I-beam number looked like with hieroglyph-like symbols. I hope this may be of some value to you. It says 0.5 to 0.75 in XX section. This is what it actually looked like, the piece of steel that came off, or metal that came off the UFO. Something, he says, I-beam forgot or something. So I'm decoding the Roswell UFO glyphs as numbers and equations. So this is the alien radio signal that we were looking at where this keyword came up. Okay, and that's from the Wow Seti signal. It's different than this piece here. So previous video was line 22, 7b97z53, Sinc, Piecewise, delta function, band limit, Fournier formula, 5G Wow Seti. My thoughts. While searching for a keyword in the previous video, I came across this and had an interesting set of thoughts. Above is a picture of the Roswell I-beam hieroglyphs UFO alien hieroglyphic writing backwards, 1 to 10, from the 1947 crash piece, and I was working on the September 2nd, 2013 AIRL. AIRL helped me with this. From this blog, www.angelfire.com, and then it's /Indy/Anna Jones1Roswell Hieroglyphs.html. September 2nd, 2013. Oh, you know what? This is what I did. I should have separated that. Okay, my thoughts. Reading the glyphs from right to left from the UFO Roswell I-beam hieroglyph spaceship. Reading from the right to the left as we do for different languages in Europe, like Arabic, like the early ages languages in Europe. They always seem to write from the right to the left. So here's an example of Arabic writing. That's what it looks like. As you can see, it goes from right to left. Deciphering the Roswell Glyphs idea. The first two pieces shown on the right are 1. Okay? These first two pieces over here. Where are they? This is number 1 right here. Okay? So if you add the two pieces by joining them together, this makes 2. So if you join these two pieces together in the center, it makes 2. And it looks the same. The only thing that's different is it's not broken apart. Okay? The 3 dots is 3, and the round circle at the top of the symbol is the symbol for 3. So these 3 dots with the hollow circles in them stand for the number 3, and this is the symbol for number 3. It's a round circle. That's so you can add the math later on. Okay? Add the 3 to the 1 and you get 4. Let's go back up here. So you have 3, the symbol for 3 is there, and add the 1, which is a smaller one because it's half. And that equals 4. Add 3 plus 1 and 1 out of the 3 diagram. This equals 5. We have the 3, plus 1 and 1 equals 5. Symbol for 3 was there. Plus 1, oh, 6. So it would be 3, this is the symbol for 3 down here, and then 1 plus 1, and that would equal 5, and this is the symbol for 5 right here. Okay, so the symbol's always at the top of the number. Add 5 plus 1 of the 3, you get 6. So this is the symbol for 5, which is this one plus the 1. You would get 6. So 6. The other ones made sense, but that one is add 6, which is filled in with 1 of the 5, and you get 7. Filled in with 1 equals 7. So it stops being symbol, it just puts different symbols together. Add 5 plus 3 and you get 8. So this is 5. See the symbol for 5? Plus the 3, which is on this one, 3. You get 8. And add 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1, you get 9. The 4, see, because it's upside down. 4 plus 3, which is a symbol, plus 1 plus 1, that would equal 9. 1 plus 1, 2 ones. So you see that? This is the 4 because it's reversed. Plus the 3, which is this symbol here. Plus the 1, then that would equal 9 because it's filled in. Instead of it, over here it's hollow. Number 1 is hollow, but over here it's filled in. So it's like adding the two together. And then this one here is add 7 plus 3 and you get 10. So 7 is the round one, plus the 3, which is the top symbol, and that equals 10. Okay? Or you can look at it as 5 plus 5, because that's the same thing, but it's filled in. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Or, and I'll put down, or you can read it as 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay? So September 14th, the keyword is vibration frequency plus resonant frequency plus piezoelectric crystals formulas will be found in the next video. So at least there's something to think about. Those are actually numbers, those hieroglyphs. Numbers for something, I don't know. Maybe it's a code. Maybe it's a security code to get the thing to work. Now, if it says within the number, okay, so if these are the numbers, 1 to 10, and then what I'm going to say is if there's any other little numbers sitting to the right of it or something, that would be the code to open up the UFO spaceship. And I wouldn't know because I haven't actually seen it. I do have pictures of it on my blog from what other people have posted what it looks like, but I don't even know if that's the truth or not. So, but anyways, if there's any other little numbers beside this row of numbers, then so this is the code to decode for those numbers, and then the numbers would, if you punch it into the UFO, either I would do it with numbers, you punch it into something, or you play a note on a piano, and each number for the piano, which I did a video about it at the beginning of this series, each piano key has a number value to it, and if you play those numbers or those sounds or tones, it'll open and activate the UFO. Okay? Thanks for watching.